Now the rush for hundreds of thousands of people to evacuate was stalled because up to 40% of gas stations in Florida have run dry or right here, bumper to bumper traffic. They weren't moving.
Gridlock, really, that's turned interstates into parking lots as vehicles idled for hours, as many were just trying to get to safety. Some of those seeking shelter are coming toward the Tri-Cities. Elizabeth Kubel continues our team coverage from our Kingsport newsroom, and she's also learned more groups are joining relief efforts.
The Salvation Army of Johnson City and the Salvation Army of Greater Kingsport are among those that will travel to Florida to help with relief efforts. But here in the Model City, I spoke to people today who are opening both their hearts and their doors to help those who are in need this hurricane season. Inside the Model City Event Center sits an empty room, but come tomorrow,
it's going to be like a big community potluck.
Weston Leonard hopes it's filled with people and food.
All we ask is you come down here with your appetite and just leave a donation, however much you want to do.
A donation to help those impacted by Hurricane Harvey and Irma. 100%
of the funds go to the actual hurricane relief. I know we're not going to raise a fraction of what they need, but every little bit helps.
And while Leonard is opening his heart to hurricane victims, Meadowview Resort is opening their doors.
We actually have about 20 rooms right now that have evacuated towards our area.
Offering a hurricane rate on rooms and allowing pets to take shelter too.
Typically we do not allow pets. We have relaxed that policy during this storm, and so we are going to have a $50 non-refundable fee.
With the expectation that more people trying to get out of Irma's path are on the way.
We're planning for the hotel to be full. If you say we have about 120 rooms left that are not sold out at this point, so if you figured two or three people per room, so it'd be around 300 more people.
Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11 in your corner.
That hurricane relief community meal Elizabeth mentioned is happening tomorrow, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. at the Model City Event Center that's located on East Center Street in downtown Kingsport.